Let me show you how to use Etsy gift mode to find the perfect present. Now, if you're trying to look for a perfect present for whatever occasion that might be, let's say if you're trying to find a gift for a birthday occasion for your friend, what you simply need to do is first of all head over to etsy.com/gift-mode, which will take you to the official platform where you can find the gifts. So on the top, you can see different occasions that you can select from. So in case of birthdays, you can simply select the birthday option and all of the gifts will start to display. Now you can also select or further niche down using the interest option. So if you scroll down a bit, it says right here, browse by interest for the best gifts. So if the person that you're trying to give this gift is, let's say, interested in health and fitness, you can simply tap on this option and related products will start to show up. So using this exact section, you'll be able to customize as well as find the exact gift that they might like. So using the interest as well as the occasion setting, you'll be able to find the gift inside of this platform. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next video.